Ever wondered how something as simple as when you eat could unlock your body's potential to burn fat, boost energy, and improve overall health? Welcome to the fascinating world of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, or IF for short, isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. By alternating periods of eating and fasting, your body taps into its natural fat-burning mechanisms during those fasting phases. It's a simple, yet powerful concept that's backed by science. Hormones, metabolism, cellular repair. They're all influenced by this eating pattern. But wait, there's more. Intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all method. There are several approaches, each with its unique benefits and challenges. There's the popular 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the alternate day fasting, which is exactly what it sounds like. By exploring each method, you can tailor your fasting schedule to fit your lifestyle and needs. While weight loss is often the primary goal of intermittent fasting, its benefits extend far beyond shedding pounds. Improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, enhanced brain health, and longevity. These are just some of the impressive health benefits of intermittent fasting. Embarking on an intermittent fasting journey can seem daunting, especially for beginners. But fear not. With practical tips and strategies like meal planning, staying hydrated, managing hunger, and staying motivated, you can navigate this journey successfully. Of course, no journey is without its obstacles. Social pressures, cravings, and plateaus, these are common challenges you may face. But with the right strategies, you can overcome these hurdles and stay on track. And finally, as we look to the future, the potential of intermittent fasting continues to unfold. As research advances, we're discovering more about its role in preventive medicine and the promise it holds for our health. In summary, intermittent fasting is more than just a diet trend. It's a lifestyle approach that harnesses your body's natural abilities to promote weight loss, improve metabolic health, and boost cognitive function. By understanding its methods, benefits, and challenges, you can unlock your body's potential and embark on your own journey towards better health.